Hello friends, today we shall discuss exercise 10.1 question number 1. Find the perimeter of each of the following figures. We know that perimeter means the sum of all the sides, right? That is in figure A, here you see in figure A, if we add all the sides, that is 5 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4, and then we get the perimeter of this figure A, right? Here we are finding the perimeter, that is A. Let us find the perimeter of question number A. Question number A is question number A. Here you see perimeter of figure A is here perimeter is equal to sum of all the sides, that is 4 centimeter, 4 plus 2 centimeter plus 1 centimeter plus 5 centimeter, right? And if we all add all the sum of all the sides, you will get the perimeter of figure 1, that is 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 5 is equal to 12 centimeter. Therefore 12 centimeter is the perimeter of figure A. Now figure B. In figure B, what you get, the perimeter will be sum of all the sides, right? If we add all the sides, you get perimeter is equal to, in figure B you see this, we have to sum, add this figure, this side plus this side plus this side plus this side, right? Therefore it is equal to 40 centimeter, 40 plus 35 centimeter plus 35 centimeter plus 23 centimeter plus 35 centimeter, 35 centimeter. If you add all the numbers, what you are getting, you see, that is 35 plus 35 is 70, 70 plus 40 110, 110 plus 23, 110 plus 23, 3 to 1 3, 133. Therefore it is 133 centimeter, 33 centimeter. Now figure C. In figure C, you will find the perimeter. We have to add all the sides. Now here you see, that is how in figure C it is 15 centimeter, is it 15 centimeter, it is 15 centimeter, it is 15 centimeter, right? That is 4 into 15 centimeter, 4 into 15 centimeter, to 15 centimeter. 4 15 is 60, the width is 60 centimeter. Now question number D. Question number D is, here you see question number D. Question number D, you see all the sides are of same length, that is 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 4 centimeter. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Therefore perimeter will be, perimeter is equal to 5 into 4 centimeter, and that is equal to 20 centimeter, right? Now question number E. Question number E is here. Question number E is here. This one, perimeter is equal to you see here, this is this you have to add all the sides, that is 2.5 plus 2.5 plus 0.5 plus 0.5, right? Plus 4 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 1 centimeter, right? You have to add all the length of the sides. The first one is, it is 2.5 plus 2.5 plus 0.5 plus 0.5 plus 4 plus 4 4 plus 4 plus 1. Okay, now if you add all the numbers, what you are getting, you see, this one is this one is 2.5 plus 2.5, that is 5, plus 0.5 is 1, 1.0, plus 4.8 plus 1, that is 9, that is 9. If you add all the numbers, what you are getting, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 9 15, that is 15 centimeter. This is the perimeter of the figure E, right? Now figure F. Figure F, you have to add all the length of the sides, then you will get the perimeter of the figure F. What is perimeter F, you see? Let us find the perimeter of F, right? Let us find the perimeter of F. Here you see, that is problem number, question number is F, right? F. Then the perimeter will be, here you see, perimeter, sum of all the sides, right? That is 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 plus 4 plus it is 1 centimeter, 4 plus 1 plus this is 3 centimeter, 4 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3, right? This is the total. Now we find what is the perimeter of this. Count it from here. 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 3 13, 13 plus 4 is 17, plus 1 18, 18 plus 3 21, 21 plus 2 23, 23 plus 3 26, 26 plus 4 30, plus 1 31, 31 plus 3 34, 34 to 36, 36 plus 3 39, 39 plus 4 43, 43 1 44, 44, 44 plus 3 47, 47 plus 2, 47 plus 2, 47 plus 2 48 49, 50 51 52, 52, that is 52 centimeter, 52 centimeter. Okay, in this way you have to find the perimeter. Perimeter means sum of all the sides of a figure, right? Again we count here, that is 4 plus 1 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 3 13, 13 plus 4 13 plus 4 17, plus 1 18, 19 20 21, 22 23, 23 plus 3 26, plus 4 30, plus 1 31, 34, 36, 39, 39, 39 40, 43, 44, 44, 3 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, right? 52 centimeter. It is right. Right? This is the solution of question number A, exercise 10.1. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.